Maya pagkalapon kay kayo. That means good afternoon to all of you. Dito pa rin ako live sa BREN Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. 2 games down. We have 4 games to go dito sa Delta Cup. Ang ating featured game is going to be Candaba versus SASMUAN. Both have 0 wins and 2 loss record. That means one of these teams ay mananalo ngayong araw na ito. Both of them are in the middle pack as far as the statistics is concerned, lalo na sa rebounds, fast break points. Pero ang nagiging problema nila sa fourth quarter, both teams have incurred a lot of turnover. So we expect that mag-adjust sila time and again with regards to the marking matchups and with regards sa kanilang scoring spree. Remember, yung kanilang mga huling laban, they've lost by an average of about 10 points. So lagi sila nagpo-falter down the stretch. So we will have the starting lineups very shortly. But first, this is Candaba versus SASMUAN here in Delta Cup. Stay tuned. Alright, SM families, we're going to introduce to you now the starting fives of both squads for SASMUAN and Candaba, both them looking for the very first win. Para sa Candaba, the starters will be Liberato, Vinuya, Guevara, Rino, and Sadie. Para naman sa SASMUAN, we have, or Sadi rather, for SASMUAN, we have Beltran, Vista, Saldi, Tungul, and Magpayo. And of course, our league referee right now for this third game is the Birdman Birds is Sugar. So napaka-importante dito yung manalo ka sa mga ganitong torneo because this is a very very short tournament. These teams will be divided into 2 groups. So I think we have 16 teams or 18 teams. Of course, if it's 18 teams and only 16 of them will advance to the playoffs. And I think we're ready. Game 3 of 6 this is now the middle part of our broadcast. It is going to be Candaba versus SASMUAN, the champ. First possession para sa naka-blue na SASMUAN. Actually, SASMUAN is the bayan wherein Japet Aguilar was born. 3-point shot. No? Both teams hindi pa nakaka-score dito. Baseline jumper. Yun! Pumasok. It rattles in. You can see that the big round of applause there from the bench. That's Pete Tungol. Scored the first basket for SASMUAN. In the meantime, a foul given up. It's a foul on Tungol. A chance now for Candaba to score on the board. And of course, it's going to be 2 free throws. The first is good. First point na po ng Candaba. So makikita natin dito, kailangan para ikaw yung manalo, kailangan mag-improve ang free throw shoot. That's 2 for 2 for Guevara. So we are dead even at 2 apiece. Almost a minute gone by sa ating first quarter. From the baseline. Alam sa mapapasahan. 10 to shoot now for SASMUAN. Seeing play number 3 at this Beltran. The lob. That's too much. 2 on the shot clock. We need to put it up. Whoa! Beltran beats the buzzer. How about that? How about that? That's one of the highlights here. Mamaya at the end of the first quarter. 3-point shot from the corner. Got it. So magandang shooting ng magkabilang tupunan. That's Rino scoring. We're tied at 5. Both on the losing slump. Beltran, back irons, a 3-point shot. Ito ba, ang Candaba tumatakbo. Pino with a touch pass, intercepted with a 3 early. Tall scores the basket. And he has 4 points. 7-5 now is the count. The spin move. And no conversion. Sorry, missed there. Veteran tumatakbo. 1 against 3. He grabs it off. And that's it. That's number 18 player for SASMUAN who scored the basket. It's now 7-5, 7.5 remaining. Oy! Nakabingwit ng foul. And that means Vinuya will take 2 free throws of foul against Magpayo. That's his first. First free throw is good for Vinuya. One more free throw for Vinuya. He got it to go. 9-6 is our tally. From the cross court. 3-point shot open. Tungol gets the defensive rebound. Fresh 14 para sa naka-asul na SASMUAN. Pass, telegraph. Guevara with a steal. Guevara tuloy-tuloy going all the way. Jose, he got it. 4 points now for Guevara. $70 to shoot now. Ball bottled up. Second straight turnover. So we have a foul. First foul on Beltran. 6.5 minutes. Medyo mabilis ang ating first quarter. Candaba looking for best possible offensive option. Nice escape act. Nako, sumobra tira. Magpayo. The shot won't work. Still get the ball back. 17 to shoot. Here's Tongol. Still can't buy a basket. And there's another foul. Ito, frustration foul na lang to. Sa SASMUAN. Tied at 9 apiece. Both teams have 2 team fouls apiece. 3-point shot. Ayaw. Beltran misses. We have 10 to shoot now for SASMUAN. Gusto laying spread out offense. Atake si Beltran. Beltran drops it up. Not much time but shot clock. Battle up. Tungol scores. 6 of the 11 points of SASMUAN coming from Tungol. Hang time. Ayaw. And a bucket. 3-point shot. Guevara surprise hit, huh? And you already got 7 points. 7 of the 9 points of Candaba. Yung tinatawag na the big guy with a soft touch. 9 to shoot. Batted away to stay with the blue shirts. Okay, wait a minute. Well, you need to set your shot clock. 4:41 remaining. The score is 11 to 12. Lamang po ang Candaba ng 1 point. Touch passing there for the Blue Shirts of SASMUAN. But it's going to be the first case of traveling. One-point game. para sa Candaba. With 4-21 sa ating first quarter. Again, you're still watching Delta Cup. We're now game 3 of 6. We only have one game scheduled this weekend. We will be back next week. Fadeaway shot, wala para Gamuya. There's going to be a foul. All right, the last foul is on Beltran, and he needs to sit down because of 2 personal fouls. De La Peña with a fadeaway. Nope. .345 remaining in the first quarter. Pretty good scoring. Nice getaway. Eight on the shot clock. Corner pocket jumper. He got it. So far, both teams shooting pretty well from the field. Almost 40+%. 1 point Candaba lead, 14-13. De La Peña, gipit sa corner. May foul na tinanaw kay Cortez. We have 2 minutes and 57 seconds remaining in the first quarter. .11 to shoot. Hang time. More by Rino. That's magnificent. Picture perfect play. Eight on the shot clock. Here's another 3-point shot for SASMUAN. Ill-advised. We'll go back to the white shirts of Candaba. Of course, Candaba, yun yung nakita nyo sa LX, yung Candaba wide. Nice pump fake, but there's going to be a foul. Meron po tayong timeout, 16-13, 2 minutes remaining. We'll be right back for more Delta Cup. Alright, yan po yung mga players na maglalaro mamaya. Florida Blanca will be up next. Kanina nakapitik doon si Direk ng some of the gorgeous ladies and of course some of the students watching this Delta Cup. First free throw is good para kay Tungol. I'm sorry, it's number 5 player ng Candaba. First point for him. 2 for 2. That's De La Peña. Two minutes remaining sa ating first quarter. 18-13 is the score. It's a 5-point lead para sa Candaba. Interception. And that's a foul. There will be free throws again for the defended party. Again, like, share, and subscribe sa ating Facebook pages ng Pampanga Information Office and Sinag Liga Asha. Don't forget, we also have games tomorrow for ISAA playoffs with Trinity University of Asia. 2 free throws made. Sabi ni Rick Aguilar, shoutout po sa tito kong Pogi, Jerwin Malalang, Boyet Malalang. 10 to shoot now. Baseline. The drop. 6 to shoot. Nothing. Tongol. 2 misses from point blank range. A minute and 10 remaining sa ating first quarter. Thank you for our 630 viewers watching. And here's the steal, fast break. It is a finish. .49 ticks remaining, first quarter. Shot won't work, put back, still can't buy it. Third effort in vain. Another case of traveling. One travel na po yan. 25 seconds to go. So 5-point lead for Candaba. So they have 2 seconds differential between the shot clock and the game clock. They're looking for cutters. Nowhere to be found. One-on-one play. The backdoor cut didn't materialize. Baseline now. Reverse no. Put back. It's no go. 2 seconds to go. 1 second. They need to throw it up, and that should do it. And the first quarter, 20 for Candaba, 15 for SASMUAN. We'll check the first quarter highlights. We're still watching Delta Cup. Enjoy these highlights first. Ayan sa mga magagandang tanawin dito sa BREN. Ayan, pamilya-pamilya sila. Hello! Ayan, pagkat pumake kayo, my name is Ron Powell doing the call for this game 3 of 6 for Delta Cup. Coming to you live from Pampanga, the BREN Convention Center. We're now in the second quarter of action. Teka muna, op. Di pa nag-uumpisa, ulit. Rebound tayo. Rebound po tayo. Ayan, daan na po tayo sa second quarter. Guevara. Inside pass against 3. Tight squeeze. Didn't pay off. Ball batted away. Nice up fake. Yes. That's Paginto. Blue Shirts now with the possession. SASMUAN trailing by 7 out then of the shot clock. 3-point shot on its way. Nawala. Okay, what will be the call reps? There's no count. Okay. Okay, back to live action. And SASMUAN gets the ball back, trailing by 7. They need to score now. The sidestep. Beauty! Guevara Shot is air ball. Hang time move. How about that? Changing in midair, huh? Oh, that's another highlight of the second quarter. And SASMUAN within 3. Guevara, bang. Shot no good. Pointing to shoot now for SASMUAN. Golden chance to tie. Almost a basket. And finally, they break the silence. As Candaba scores that one, the lead is 5, 24-19. 8 minutes just gone by in the second quarter. We have a foul. Back to live action. It's a 5-point deficit for SASMUAN. Inside track, yes, good shot. And we have another case of traveling. Again. Tatlong traveling, ha? Isang quarter pa lang. Basket will count, but there's going to be a foul against SASMUAN probably. It is a forcing foul. It's a first team foul. Oh, the shot clock didn't reset. Hey, what's happened there? And a missed shot by De La Peña. SASMUAN can tie this game. They did it. And it's going to be an offensive foul. Oh! Both players will be called for a tee for some extracurricular. That will be number 3, Ubuya, and number 4 player of SASMUAN. Ganito pala kainit ang laban, ah. Oh. Complained for the foul. But after that instant, merong hintayin natin matapos yung replay hanggang sa magpitong referee. There's the elbow swing. Oh, excessive elbow. Siguro maganda yung top view camera natin, ha. May elbow, tapos itapusin natin yung replay hanggang doon sa tumawag ng referee ng double technical. Isa pa. One more. Top view camera tayo. Let's see this in top view camera. Let's start. Okay. Here's the ayun yung bangga. Tuloy mo lang. Ay. Sige, balikan tayo sa live action. Teka muna. Number 3 tsaka number 4. Oo. Technical. Both for second motion. And we have a foul. It's going to be 2 free throws now. Ubuya will be called for the foul. That will be in penalty situation. 6:26 remaining in the second quarter. Very intense action, actually. First free throw is air ball. Uy, kapos. In and out. 6:25 remaining in the second quarter. Inside pass. Guevara lays it up and in. (26-23). 14 fouls na para sa Candaba. Dalawa pa lamang sa SASMUAN. From the corner. Baseline. Ilabas. Here's a shot. No. Fresh 14. Kick out. Partially deflected. Guevara, Dipsido. Yes, sir! And we're going to have a timeout by SASMUAN. The lead is 5 for Candaba. We'll be right back. Kumusta kayo mga kabalen? Lunchtime na. Pwede kayo manood ng Delta Cup habang kumakain. Kami dito sa production kumakain na rin kami ng paborito nilang kare-kare. Second quarter action now. 28-23 labang po ang Candaba ng 5 puntos. 5 minuto, 40 segundo sa ating second quarter. Ay! Alam niya yung spot na yan. Yan yung... Diyan ako halos naubusan ng boses eh. Sa Luba, no? 3-point shot. Last, yung ating first appearance dito sa BREN ng Delta Cup. Very memorable that spot, no? Here's the drive. Basket counts. And now De La Peña stepping up in the second quarter. Peña with a 3-point play opportunity. Candaba, 7-point cluster. Okay, binabati ko pala si mga kasama natin broadcasters. Ken Pangilinan. Oh! Masok. Later happy birthday kay Cathy Abayo. 5:11 remaining. Penalty situation na po ang Candaba. Samantalang sa SASMUAN meron pa lamang silang tatlong team foul. Malakot was a signal play number 3. And the lead is 8 points for Candaba. Corner. Wala shoot. A nice drop. Oh! Sakit naman nun ko yan, no? Tungo. Tutukan na. Lumalabas ang tira. Ball batted away. We'll stay with them in 18-second shot clock. Almost a steal. It is completed. Nice up fake. Candaba will try to return the compliment. Williams finger roll won't bite. Put back. Still won't soak. No soak. Action picks up in the second quarter. Marakot, yes. Guevara dancing around. There's a foul before that shot. (31-25) now. Lock up. The rest of Candaba holding on to a 6-point lead. Here's a 3-ball. Now this spot, Saldi clears the board for SASMUAN. 4 minutes to play. It's I think second quarter. 40 to shoot. Here's Beltran back in the game. Inside incursion. Yes. Apat muli ang abante ng Candaba. Okay, we have a foul. Four-point edge. Very important for Candaba is to not lose composure. Lagi silang in the middle of the quarter, silang binanababalikan ng SASMUAN because of their turnovers. Miss on the second free throw. Okay, para sa ating mga kasinaliga Asya na tumututok sa ating Facebook page, apart from the ISAA that talk about, after ISAA, tuloy-tuloy ang Sinaliga Asya Lakas 40. Games on tomorrow, 4 p.m. AO Kings Easy Jersey versus AMB Namba. 6 p.m. Santa Rosa Lions Saints versus GDL Construction. 8 p.m. Taytay Project versus Papua 521 Trading. Bangalore by Rino. 34-27. Candaba up by 7. Beltran with a swift retaliation. It's a 5-point game now. 2:55 remaining in this quarter. 3 ball. Air ball. Rebound control. Candaba steals it. Rino passes to the wrong party, and here it comes. Easy bucket. No, he will not give an easy bucket. He will be taken to free throws. He was fouled hard. You see that again in slow-mo. Boom! Aray ko. Aray. Kinamahan ka talaga. Bumangga, gibay ka nga eh. 2:35 remaining. Medyo mabagal ang ating first quarter, not unlike second quarter. Unlike in the first quarter, medyo mabilis. First is no good. One more free throw for Manalang. No, it is a lane feature violation. Five-point game. Oh, he's open. De La Peña saw it coming. And the lead ng Candaba ay balik sa 7, 36-29. Be December to savor as we are about to wind up 2023. Beltran with a jackknife. Oh, Direk, I want to see that. That was special. A little salsa. Beltran completes a 3-point play. (36-32). Nagmadali doon ang Candaba. Beltran now sprinting down court. Layup again. He has the last 5 points of SASMUAN. Jumps down the lead of 2 for Candaba. Candaba 36, SASMUAN 34. Look at this Beltran highlight. Back in a moment. Rinig na rinig niyo yung drums, no? Dito sa BREN Convention at marami pa yan mamaya. Especially if when the home team City of San Fernando plays in the main game. 36-34, 3-point shot on its way. Wala. Rebound, nakuha pa rin ng Candaba. Here's a drive-in play. This guy is very gutsy. De La Peña, risking at all. That one pays off. Halftime score natin, 38, ay di ba pala halftime? 30-24, a minute and 25 remaining. Here's the drive. Corner shot. He gets it to go. Finally, pumutok si Tungol. He missed the last 3 shots yung tutukan, ha? A minute remaining now before we call it the halftime. Nice pump fake. Hernandez banks it out. Put that, it's in. Final 47 seconds. Shot won't work. Let's get rid of foul on penalty situation. Yeah, both teams already in penalty. So 2 free throws now para sa Candaba. (40-36) is the official count. It's now 41-36. Nope. Goes out of bounds. Babalik ang bola sa SASMUAN. This shot there, or it's a made shot rather, by number 6 ng Candaba. Final 20 seconds in this first half. It's being action-packed all throughout the second quarter. Oh! De La Peña with a top fall away. Oh boy. Final 7 seconds. Well, nakalimutan siguro ng table officials na basket timeout ang SASMUAN. They have one more timeout to call and they will be granted that request. We'll be right back. We have a timeout. Alright, 43-38 ng ating talaan. Only 12.7 seconds. They can adjust the time to 12.7 seconds. So one last shot na yan para sa SASMUAN to come up a play. 10 seconds to go. Crossover, drives. Caught himself into deep. 5 seconds, 4 seconds. A 3-point shot from the right corner. Air ball. The follow-up! Is that counted? Yes. Referee says counted. And of course, the score now is 45-38 ang ating halftime score, 7-point lead. But let's take a look at that last shot. Replay natin direct. Apart from the reverse half highlight, i-replay natin yung huling tira. Look at the clock. Yes. It is counted. It is counted. Halftime score, 45-38. We will have more here in Delta Cup. We're still at halftime, 45-38 ang ating talaan. Candaba up by 7. This is Juan Pablo doing the call for your Delta Cup. Let's have this first half highlights shown with you, Direk. Let's show us sa mga matinding kaganapan. Look at that dipsy do. Numila pa si Gibara. On the other hand, para naman sa SASMUAN, that nice stick back there. The rebound. Starter step. Here's the attack. Oh, what a jackknife by Beltran. And on the other side, after the miss, tip in. Those are the highlights of this place. And of course, our leading scores. Let's check it out. Let's show us. Rino had 15. De La Peña with 10. Guevara with 8. Beltran 10. Magpayo 8. And Maraco 8. The second half is coming up after this. After this, you're still watching Delta Cup. Okay, nagbabalik po tayo sa ating third quarter action ng ating Delta Cup. My name is Juan Pablo. So you've seen the trend of this game. It's majority of which nakakascore dito ang Candaba, but of course SASMUAN had some highlights of their own thanks to Beltran's exploit. But now it's going to be a different one. Third quarter is now underway. Tongol with a quick pass, but that's unsuccessful. .15 to shoot now for the white shirts. Here's the jump shot. Rino tips it in. The lead is 9. Second straight turnover. And here's the other layup that was missed. Here comes Maxino. Wala. Almost lost it on that fast break. Sayang. He could have taken that shot. Spin move. Jackknife. Shot won't work. para sa SASMUAN. 8.5 minutes remaining this third. Open shot, Guevara. That time, walang tinamaan. A fast break. And a lay-in. (51-38), the lead is 13. 7:53 remaining. Five on the shot clock, the spin move. Oh! Taliso doon. He was rammed by Rino. It will be a foul. Let's see that again in the replay. Here's the spin. Off balance. Block. But ooh. Hits the deck hard. A little bit. So far that has been the problem of SASMUAN. They continued the inconsistency in the free throw shooting. And this time it is a split. 51-39. The lead is 12 for Candaba. 7:37. They got the steal and a bucket. Suddenly Cortez sprung up to life. All right, free throws now for SASMUAN. But that's complete three-point opportunity. Pressure is on. That's a nice bucket inside the paint. The lead is 11. Approaching the 7-minute mark sa ating third quarter. The sneak in move. Wala. Guevara spins. Guevara tuloy-tuloy. Nobody backs him out. Rino almost making the shot. This is a battle of wits, no? Sino yung talagang fa-falter dito? Sino yung kukurap? Alam na di si Kanga. Magsino. He says, "Who are you?" Sabi ni De La Peña. Smothering Brock. Take a look at this. Here's the drive. He gets rejected. Hold it, fellas. Okay, medyo nabunot yung saksakan doon. We have 7 on the shot clock. Okay, meron lang tayong official timeout. Inayos lang yung shot clock sa kabila. It's not working. Time remaining 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Inbound. Here's the shot. No. De La Peña brings up the letter for the white shirts. 10 to shoot now for Candaba. Attack. Lost. Fast break. He's gone. That's MALUGUD. Chops down the lead to 9. Rino. Paginto, top of the box. Guevara launches a 3 short. Shot clock at 14. MALUGUD 3. Nope. Finally a bucket there by Tungol after 4 misses. And the timeout will be taken now by Candaba. The lead suddenly chopped down to 7. Okay, it's a 7-point lead now. They break the press. Oh, nice one. They break the press promptly. The lead is 9 points. Para sa Candaba, 55 to 46. Oh, Cortez almost made a 3-point shot. And it's going to be what? Another foul coming up. There's still 14 seconds on the shot clock. Halfway point of the third quarter, 5 minutes. Cortez. Kailangan nila na scoring ni Cortez dito para mabalik. Shot works. So it's just a 5-point game. Anything can happen. Five-point game for Candaba. Long on that 3 ball. Oh, what a move. Beltran really a force to reckon with para sa SASMUAN. Chops down the lead to just 5. And another turnover. The SASMUAN gain the momentum back. Takes a 3 ball. Almost. One more serving. Peña 4-3 wins out. Baseline spin, Guevara missed the layup. That particular flop almost got him the faking a foul. Ayun, faking a foul na nga. Si Cortez, number 11, he's issued a warning. Oh, another case up. Traveling. We need a break. We have a timeout. Just a 5-point game. Sorry, wala palang timeout. Kala ko may timeout. 55 to 50. Balik tayo sa laro. All right, 12 seconds on the shot clock now. Inside incursion, yes. Finally bringing the spell. Nino is in double figures. 2:50 remaining. Wala pang team fouls dito ang SASMUAN. They play team coordinated defense in this third quarter. Shot clock at 8 seconds. That's a long three by Beltran. No. Rebound, De La Peña. Jump shot. Beltran clears the board. And he was tied up. Should be a foul. That's already the 14th foul on SASMUAN. Or check that, Candaba. Approaching the 2 minutes of this third quarter. Beltran misses the three-point shot. Put back inside the paint. Tall. Jumps down the lead again to 5. 2 minutes remaining in this third. Baseline. Reverse. Wow. Wow. Hallelujah. Leads back to 7. Oh, what an exhibition. These two guys, Vinuya and Beltran, is showing some accuracy in the paint. That's a foul of that time. Let's see that again. Oh, nice cut, huh? Important three-point play opportunity for De La Peña. Important free throws now for De La Peña. No. He's out. That's 5. Pass break. 2-on-1 situation. Oh, Cortez. Nice move plus a foul. And the foul will be against SASMUAN probably. Let's see that again. Yes, there's a push. It's a foul against SASMUAN. And that's only the first team foul actually. All right, Direct, let's have a replay of that last foul because there's a possibility that this particular foul will be upgraded. Let's go to the top view camera replay. Let's replay this. Here's the fast break. Okay. Okay, here's the fast break. Okay. Tuloy lang, tuloy. And then take a look at this number 12 and the side. Yung pumasok yun, number 18. Yun. It's counted, yeah. Number 25. 25. So the lead is down to 3. There's a SASMUAN crowd now here in the GUIAO Convention Center chanting defense. 1:10 remaining this third. And that's fouled away by Beltran. Here comes Cortez. Got it to go. Got it to go. It's a 1-point game. Here's Rodriguez. Pinuya on the outside. 17 on the shot clock. 47 in the third. And that's got to be an illegal pick. Momento clearing the side of SASMUAN. Let's see that again in slow-mo. It is. Offensive foul. (59-58). Candaba. Namimiligo. Only that, well, up by a point. 3-point shot, won by the rebound. Pick up. Foul. The jumper to the corner. Wala. Visor picks the ball up. Shot clock at 5 now. Long three for Beltran. Off the mark. Ten seconds remaining this third quarter. 59-58. 5 seconds. Vinoya makes his move. Inside. Nice cut. Block. And that should do it. What a third quarter comeback by SASMUAN. Scores 59 Candaba, 58 SASMUAN. And what we're going to do is we'll have some highlights for you for the third quarter. As Candaba closes this third chapter, 59-58. Stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed us in this broadcast of Delta Cup in a very noisy crowd here at the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. My name is Ryan Paro. We're just about to finish game 3 of 6. We still have 3 more games remaining. And we have the interception. Vinuya was fouled by Beltran. He will take 2 free throws. Let's greet some of them in the Facebook. Marichu Tolentino, Kurt De La Peña, Larry Jane Payawal, Jericho Valdez Sakmon, Shawai N.E., Ashley Vinueva, Emerson Pring. It's a 1-point game. Hindi na. This ngayon na free throw. This second. 10 on the shot clock. This is what we call the gaming experience. No? Puts it up. That's going to be a foul. Then salamat mga kabalen sa 747 fans watching right now on Facebook. Talagang pati mga fans natin getting involved sa mga respective teams. 3 straight misses now for Candaba in the free throw line. Okay, score 60-58. (9-10) remaining in the fourth. Visor. Picked by Tongol. Beltran tumira. Foul. Nag-foul on Binuya. For the free throws now. Yes, the plan scores. The lead is just 2, 60 to 58. 1-point game. This is just a 1-point game. 60 all. We have a foul. It's a blocking foul. 16 on the shot. And Beltran will rest for a while. I'll be back probably in the last 4 minutes of this game. There's a whistle. There will be the foul. Tied at 60. Believe it or not, this is just our second deadlock in this game. Take a look at this last bit of action. Slow mo. Ayun, may konting tulak on the side. So, neither team in penalty. SASMUAN only has 3 team fouls. Another whistle. It is a stepping on the line. Alright, we already fixed the scoreboard. So again, it's tied at 60, 7 minutes and 55 with that 2 minutes down. 3 ball, no good. De La Peña grabs the rebound for the White Shirts. Binuya top of the box rather. Up fake by Binuya. Dish off. Shot will not count. Went out twice. Be 2 free throws for the offended party. Let's see that again. Nice backdoor cut. Two free throws now. One more free throw. Again, we're tied at 60. 61-60. Still a long way to go. 61 to 60. We have a whistle again. See that again in the instant replay. Backdoor cut. Ooh! Sumakay. Almost have a horseback ride there. Alright, 2 more free throws here. Tied at 61. Next second free throws will be a 1-point game. Yes. SASMUAN takes the lead for the 3rd time this game. 15 to shoot. Ball goes back to SASMUAN. 1-point game, 6:55 remaining. Anything can happen, actually. 3 ball from the corner. Magat secures it for Candaba. Here's Guevara driving hard, laying in. on the other end quickly by MALUGUD. Another foul, another whistle given up, and the coach of SASMUAN is not happy with the call. Let's see that again in replay. Off the break. Parang clean sundo, pero sabi ni referee, may foul talaga. Guevara will under pressure. Makes both free throws. In the meantime, there's a foul. So, anybody's walking, kaya sinabi ko kanina, both teams really want to win so bad in this crucial part of the game. It's just a matter of time. 63 to 64. Here's the sneaking play, no good. Fast break on the other end. And Candaba back at the lead by 1. From the corner, open 3. Yes! Is that a 3? No, it's just a long 2, says the ref. Or Chess has been the glue to this comeback of SASMUAN, and now they're up by 1. Touching the halfway point of this ball game. Paginto can't answer back. And we have a foul. See that again in replay. There's the attack. He was grudging. That's an obvious foul. (65 to 66). We're now on the home stretch of the screen. Makes the first. Yes. (65 to 66). Somebody stumbled on the floor. Ball is loose, turnover. Chance now for SASMUAN to grab the lead. Stop and pop, jumper by Cortez, doesn't drop, gets it right back, puts it up. Puts it in! Puts it in! Timeout by Candaba. And the lead of SASMUAN's up to 4, 69 to 65. We'll be right back. Driver's foot has changed, ladies and gentlemen. It is now a 4-point SASMUAN lead, but Guevara says, let me take care of business. It is final 4 minutes and 35. So, 2 puntos ang abante ng SASMUAN, 69 to 67. Corner 3. Tongol has it. Vista, wise thing to do to settle down. Cortez drops it up. It's going to be a shot block. That's going to be a foul on Reno. (67 to 69). Do we have a timeout? Okay, we will have a timeout. We'll be right back. Okay, free throws time for SASMUAN. They have a 2-point lead with 4 minutes and 10 remaining. You can hear this noise and bomb. Yes, lead is 70 to 67. 4 minutes and change remaining. Inside pass. There's a foul. So the foul's on downstairs. I keep shooting down. De La Peña will try his luck for the free throw line. Miss. A lot of misses by Candaba on his free throw line. They have more attempts than SASMUAN. Missed the second. Play now for SASMUAN. 3-point lead, 70-67. 3:35 remaining. Alley-oop play, almost. On a fast break. Inside to Reno. Oh, there's a foul. Let's see this action in slow-mo. Boom, binangga. Reno, full concentration in his free throw attempt. One more free throw for Reno. This crucial part. Miss ball, still get it. Yes, sir. Shot clock a problem now. 10. Approaching 3 minutes in this ball game. That's a long three. Back irons it. Almost a basket there by Tungor. Inside pass. Nice play. Nice basket. The lead is back to a point for Candaba. Maginto with a play, quick assist for Vinuya. Both teams in penalty. 10 on the shot clock. That won't bite. And Guevara has it. Will drive. And gets it to go. Gets it to go. And timeout will be called by SASMUAN. Will be right back. Okay, 73-70 is our count. With just 2 minutes and 22 remaining, anything can happen. Will Candaba get the first win, or will SASMUAN will get this one? My name is Ryan Powell. I'm coming to you from the BREN Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga, game 3 of 6. And a backfoot by Beltran. Down to the last 2 minutes. Here we go. Guevara brings the ball down right now. White shirts. One other job by Guevara. Good. And they got a 3-point lead back. 75-72. For Candaba, minute and 50. Beltran brings it downtown. Beltran brings the ball up. Heads up play for the blue shirts. Picked by Tipson. Guevara jumper on its way. 75-74. 1 point lead for Candaba. Minute and 38. Binuya rather. Not to De La Peña. De La Peña has it. Trap. Here's Binuya. 14 to shoot. Dribbles to his left. 13 to shoot. Binuya makes his move. Goes right. Binuya drives hard. Goes for it. He was fouled by Tipson. He was fouled by Tipson. It's going to be 2 free throws for the party. Binuya will take 2 free throws. Split. It's going to be a lane violation. We'll go back. Session 4. SASMUAN. 76-74. It's very hard to choose who's the best player. Can't tell on my end. 2-point lead for Candaba. Here it comes. Here's Beltran. Beltran top of the box. Chicken bake move. Beltran 20-footer. No good. Better for the rebound. It will be white shirts. It's going to be a foul on Tipson. Both teams in penalty. Ill-advised foul. That's an ill-advised foul. Take a look at this. Good call by the reps there. Rino will take 2 free throws on the 4.5 meter line. Rino Bismuth. He missed both free throws. Now a chance for SASMUAN to tie the game with a basket or a 3 for a go ahead. 57 ticks. On the left side, 3-point shot on its way, air ball. But that's going to be a foul on Tipson. Another foul on Tipson as he pushed Rino out of the way. So another 2 free throw shot for Rino. He wants to redeem himself in that last 2 misses. And the score 76-74. Take a look at this. 3-point shot from top of the box. And here's Tipson pushing Rino. 2 free throws now for Rino. 2 free throws made by Rino. What a time for him to explode. And with 53 seconds remaining, we have a substitution. 78-74. The lead now is 4 points for Candaba. Here it comes. Shot clock is ticking right now. Here it comes. Here's Cortez. It's been big. Cortez back in the game. Drive inside. Here's Cortez. Blows by the defense. There's a rejection. Will stay with up.
First sub now.
Here's inbound. 43 seconds. 42 seconds. Nice up fake. Here it comes. A steal here by Binuya. It looks like Candaba might get this one. 36 seconds to go. They're going to slow down the tempo now. Half a minute remaining. The 2-possession ball game. I think SASMUAN is a little bit tired here. Binuya can chew up the clock. 7 seconds. On the corner. Pump fake. 4 seconds. Binuya fakes. Fires. 1 second on the shot clock. No. And that's a shot clock violation. And that's the complaint of the SASMUAN. They always complain on the table official that the clock should have been, as soon as the shot clock expires, the clock should have stopped. But it runs out at about a second or two. So that's the problem. Now they reset it to 15.8 seconds. And the referee is now giving a warning for SASMUAN for improper bench decorum. Because there should be no huddle at this stage. Okay, they're now giving a delay of the game warning. So irregardless, if SASMUAN failed to cash in this last field goal or so, then this game will be a win for Candaba. And it all this game boils down to the last minute now. We have a timeout by SASMUAN. We're going to hang on to the air. And it's really hard to tell because in the fourth quarter it has been it's been a neck and neck battle. But on the last 2 minutes it has been Rino who's getting the lion's share of his hard work for Candaba. So SASMUAN has no more timeouts to call, it says here. Now, SASMUAN will inbound on the front court with 14 seconds on the shot clock. SASMUAN needs to score immediately upon receiving the pass. Here it comes. Here you go. 14 seconds. They need to shoot it quickly from the three-point region. Beltran is the mark man, but he passes to the wrong guy. Rino has it. And they're going to foul Rino and Tongol. That might be it with 6 seconds remaining. Let's see that again. There's some of the crowd here at BREN Convention Center enjoying this Delta Cup. Candaba will call the penultimate timeout. SASMUAN has no more timeouts to call. Candaba still has one more to call after this. So again, this game, naging dikit siya all throughout. Lumamang ang Candaba, nakabalik sa SASMUAN, something like that. And then last 6-5 minutes, dikit-dikit. And then the last 2 minutes, it has been Candaba who might sail along to this 4-point edge. Ayun. Ayun yung sinasabi nila maingay. Ayun yung... Thank you, sir. Pampabuhay, ika nga. First free throw is good. Rino seals it. He sealed the W for Candaba. He sealed the W for Candaba. 79 to 74, 6.9 seconds. This game is in the refrigerator for Candaba. The door is closed. Exit goalie. The ball is getting high as well as dribbling. 80-74 with 6 seconds remaining. Dribble it out. Well planned. Lets it fly from 30. Whoa! Whoa! 0.1 of a second. My goodness. Candaba escapes with a 3-point win against SASMUAN. That's a final score, 87-7. Stay tuned. I will interview the best player of the ball game owners. Stand by.
Final score po natin 80-77. Ang Candaba just the skin of the teeth against SASMUAN. Of course, Alexis Rino, ang ating best player po kayo. Alexis, hindi maging magandang first half mo dahil sa almost foul trouble ka. Pero nung second half, you turn this around. Ano naging sikreto na nakabingwit finally ng panalo?
Ano lang po, focus sa game, bigay yung buong lakas and tiwala lang sa coaches and teammates at ano lang, tanggalin yung kaba sa sarili.
Well, speaking of kaba, isang player na nagpapakaba sa inyo ay si FERNANDO. Kita mo naman yung ulit tira niya, pumasok pa rin. Pero coming after that, on the coming games, paano mawawala yung kaba niyo? Kumbaga maging well-prepared kayo at baka maka-upset pa kayo ng mas mabibigat na teams.
At unang-una siyempre mag-pray kay God and ensayo, bigay yung lahat sa ensayo, yung kumbaga yung pressure sa bigay yung kala mo gawin nilang game yung practice, ganoon lang po.
With your fine performance, Alexis, meron ka bang gustong batiin at pasalamatan?
Binabati ko nga pala yung pamilya ko and yung si Mayor Rene Maglangke and Vice Mayor Michael B. At sa mga fans namin na sumusuporta, salamat po sa kanila.
Alright, Alexis Rino, ating best player of the ball game. Coming up next, it's going to be Santa Ana versus Macabebe. We're now halfway through of this Delta Cup.